Alright, what's good with y'all, man? Back on another video. Today, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to remove the roof trim. I don't believe there's any video out there showing people how to remove this, but it's super simple and easy. All you need is either some nails or like a pry tool. And I promise y'all, whenever I show y'all this, y'all gonna be like, what? All you need to do is literally stick your nails in there or a pry tool, and bam, it comes up just like that. Just like this. Wow. I know, right? Amazing. Y'all thought it would be way harder than that, but I removed mine because I'm gonna get the roof wrapped later today, so that's why. But once again, pop, 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 and last one, popped. Now I'm gonna try to clean this channel out a little bit more and just prep the channel for the roof wrap. But hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was a super simple install, bro. I know it seemed like it was way more complicated, but nope. Just peel it up. But don't, like, if it ain't coming, just work with it. Don't just start peeling it because you end up bending it, and that ain't gonna be on me. So hope y'all enjoyed this, and peace. I'll see y'all in the next one.